Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And also make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we're on the daily time frame because the daily is where you can really see that this is one wave up, A, three waves down, B, one wave up to the 78% fib, wave C, nice bounce from a Fibonacci retracement of the last five waves down, as you can see. So this move very likely is the end of an ABC correction. And what happens at the end of an ABC pullback is you get the continuation of the higher time frame downtrend. My overall target on the US dollar yen is all the way down at like the 125, but that's going to take pretty much all year to play out. But I'm definitely looking for shorts. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, I left this Fibonacci retracement on here because this is such a nice example of what we're looking for. You got your Fibonacci retracement on the last one, two, three, four, five waves down. Then you got one wave up to one wave down, one wave up, Fibonacci bounce, engulfing move to the downside, eventually break a structure. Really nice example of what we're looking for in the future for another entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Like I said, if this is the end of an ABC way up here, then we definitely want to continue to look for shorts at the end of every single one, two, three-way pullback that we see on these sort of time frames for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.